Do you have an eGPU and always have problems connecting to eGPU? When connecting to eGPU, sometimes you'll hit with blue screen of death, some other errors, or just simply Windows is not detecting your eGPU. I have developed an app that helps me with this problem and it's called OneXGpu Panel. Step 1. Physically connect your eGPU to your laptop. In my case, I am using a Surface Pro, therefore I am connecting my eGPU using USB Thunderbolt 4 cable to my eGPU. Step 2. Launch the OneXGpu Panel software. Then click Reconnect button. What it does behind the scene is terminating current Steam services, mounting the eGPU NVMe drive, enable the eGPU AMD 7600M XT in Windows and relaunch silently back the Steam services. Reloading Steam services are important is due to some of the games are being installed in eGPU storage, thus this refreshes Steam services. Now you can see my eGPU storage is mounted successfully, and so does my AMD 7600M XT GPU. Finally, to disconnect properly your eGPU, relaunch the OneXGpu Panel again and click Disconnect. This will unmount properly the eGPU and the NVMe storage and manages the Steam services properly.